Okay, so we're at the beach, and I've been dying to do the pearls. You know, like those pearl videos you see on Facebook all the time of them opening it. So this is like the step down. They used to have these when I was little, and it comes with the little pearl you can open and then put it in like a cage. And they had a unicorn too, a unicorn cage. We're going back for that one, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
Yes. Okay, open this for me so I can do the...
Let me just tear it open or slide it out, or
slide it out. We're doing this on the bed because we're lazy and tired.
It's a terrible idea to do it on the bed.
So this is what it is.
Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on, something else. Oh, look. You're supposed to make a wish. Then open the sealed pot, cut the mussel, and take out the pearl carefully. Take out the necklace and open the pendant of the necklace, and then put the pearl in it. Then you can wear the little cage thing.
Isn't he so cute? Sorry, my hair's all poofy.
There's that.
Okay, but I need to... Okay, I'm gonna have to flip the camera around, but I have to stop this video to do that. Okay, so I guess we pop open the can. Ooh, you can hear it.
Yeah, it's in some kind of liquid. That's what I said.
Oh, here it is. You can see it. Ah! I bet it stinks.
We have to have a knife to pop it open too.
You think so?
Yeah, I know we do. They do it. That's what on the videos they do it with that.
Is that what they do on the videos
That's
on
what
Facebook?
they do on the videos.
How do you know that?
We watched them on the couch together.
Like a million times. Okay, go get a knife real quick. Get a butter knife. We're in our hotel room. Jocelyn and my stepdad, his woman, are in the other room through there. I guess I can take you on out here, but I don't know if you can see anything if I take y'all. Hold on. Really pretty new blood moon or something eclipse with last night, I think. So pretty. My glasses have popped up. See everybody on the beach. Oh, you get it? Oh, you're in your boxers. Oh, show to everybody in your boxers. Can you cover up? We brought the exports. Okay. Excuse me, I'm eating grapes. And then I found this book at the Dollar Tree and I had to get it. Rose Kennedy's Filming Owl. It's like a $45 book, people. Look at this. It's so nice. Anyways, okay. All right, baby. Can you hold this right here so I can open this? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I feel like it's too dark over here and they can't see it. Oh! Dun, 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 dun.
Did you put that on the bed?
Yeah, I don't want it to get on the bed. I was like, here, smell this. I don't smell, but I got a big whiff. I don't want to touch that nasty water. God knows what it is. Don't get my boobies in this. Okay, I want to try to be professional and shuck it like they did on... Wait, they break it like that on the Facebook live videos, remember? Mm-hmm. Dude, this is harder than it looks. Oh, there. Oh, here we go. Mama's got it in. I could use better.
You dork.
Better wording. Oh, looky. Zoom in. Come over here. Just come closer. Come closer, my love. Hey, look how nasty this looks. Okay. See if I can do this. Oh, look, there it is. Too bad we didn't. This is going to be funny. Is there any twins in here? And they go like that. I'm sorry. I'm not making fun of people who do it because I actually love watching those. This is so freaking nasty. Look at this.
Is that what you eat?
I don't know. I don't eat oysters. But like, you can tell these are the knockoffs from China because it's the oval shaped pearls that you can order in bulk. for cheap. You can get 10 of these for $1. No, 10 for $10. And then they're all oval shaped like that. I mean, it's still cute, don't get me wrong. So, what color would you say this is, honey?
Oh, let me see it. I ain't seen it yet. What colors? Oh.
Here's this.
Okay, let's see here. I'm thinking. Heck, I don't know. It don't look like it's any of them. Don't have no dang color to it.
It looks pink, but I guess it's white. That's like the closest.
Health, I guess. It's either health or wealth.
Health or wealth.
Either way, we're good.
I could really use the wealth right now.
Yeah.
Let's see. Sorry guys,
You
I'm
didn't
feeling
make a
this pain
wish.
and I haven't.
You didn't make a wish.
Okay, I'm gonna.
It's too late now.
It's not too late. It's never too late.
It is too late.
I think it's wealth because it's kind of yellow.
I see kind of a little bit of a orangey tint to it. Yeah.
Okay. Here, baby. Open the cage. I'm sorry about my crappy filming. That's what happens when you haven't filmed in like 2 or 3 years.
Oh, crappy looking this.
Oh, man.
Oh, God.
Come on, baby. You can do it.
There's some kind of instructions.
Do you need the instructions, babe?
I don't think so.
Oh, this is peach. Oh, God, I lost it. This is peach, baby. Right here. White for health. Cream for happiness. Peach for love.
Oh, there you go.
Lavender for wisdom. And gold for wealth.
Peach for love.
I swear it's peach.
Yeah.
Look.
Well, you maybe should have made a wish that we could open this little cage here.
I don't know. This still looks white, baby, now. Look.
Oh, either love or
White
happiness.
or cream. It's not peach. It's white or cream. What do y'all think? I think it's cream. Yeah, we'll go with cream. So cream is happiness.
I don't know how to open this.
Oh, God. Here, hold this. Noob. Don't get all my crap in the background.
Fingers over the lines.
There's the hinge. Shoot, I don't know either. Shit. Well, it's gonna open some way or another.
Oop.
Oh, got it. You just pull it. You just pull.
Mm-hmm. Oh, dang.
Oh. You gotta take the necklace off first. Let's see. And then we'll stick her in there like so.
Their nails look pretty. Should do those today.
Oh, thanks, babe. For a 2-minute job before we went down to the beach.
Yeah, that's good.
It's almost too big to fit. Don't be so dirty. Oh, look, guys, it won't fit. It's too big.
It fits?
No, it won't close.
It's closed.
No, it's not, baby.
I mean, you could wear it like that. You can wear it like that. It ain't gonna come out.
But, baby, look.
It's because you have it the wrong way.
Baby, I don't.
Rotate it. Here. I know. Yeah, right.
Really?
I'm getting it. Hold on. It's a process.
People get impatient on YouTube. They're probably like fast forwarding through this part or done clicked off the video and it's like,
Yeah, this one's too big, actually.
that sucks. Well, anyways, they're $8.99 or $4.99, 2 for $8.99 or 1 for $4.99, but we got one of those lovely coupon books. I got it for $2.99.
Keep on our souvenirs.
And then I meant to get this yesterday, but he's like, we don't need that. And I was like, well, I could use the flip bag. And then I was like, I seen this and I had to buy
This
something.
one's cute because it's got the kinds of shells and
it's
stuff
got all
on the back.
shells on it.
So we figured why not?
Yeah, and then the sand can fall out instead of keeping the sand in the bag. So, do you like my cactus bag? Got that at Walmart, $5. And then our $10 beach chairs. Him's asleep. Oh, look, my hand's there. God, you guys can tell I haven't filmed in so long. But you can see my hair's still long. I've not cut it off or anything. All right, we're gonna go. And I'm gonna finish my grapes and try to put this on a chain. Baby, before
This crazy one to bed.
Crazy, he called me so crazy. Where's my, here, put this on the chain real quick.
Oh, okay, where's that?
Right here. It still should be able to go through both.
We'll give it a shot.
Both.
Come on. Oh, I got it. Just kidding. Also on. It's a nice little chain though.
Yeah. Don't steal it from me.
I'll try not to.
And I think
I got this one from her already.
I think that will be so cute. Yeah, he's had that one forever. That'll still be so cute. But I'm definitely going back and getting the unicorn one.
Yeah.
Maybe I should get 3. Should I get 3 and give one away?
Do you want to? Yeah.
We'll do a giveaway. Which one should I get? I will do a video when I get there, or take a picture.
Yeah.
I want the turtle. Then they had a skull.
And then a unicorn.
The unicorn. The cage. I feel like there was something else.
I'll just have to look and see when we get there.
I'll buy a couple. They're just $3.
Yeah, I don't think we can swing that.
And we'll do like a welcome back to YouTube. And then we'll do my fiance does my makeup tag. Would you do my makeup?
I can try. The one time.
He knows what I like. What's my favorite color lipstick?
Mauve. Matte.
Now that was my next question. What was my favorite type of lipstick?
No, matte for sure.
Yes. We need to do a tag. Y'all tell me a good like fiance, boyfriend, girlfriend tag to do, and we'll do it.
I don't even sure what a tag is.
You ask each other questions like the mom tag, and it's like